babies are supposed to snore. But this one does. He's sleeping under his Winnie the Pooh thingy. Night night, buddy.